we ran across a gentleman that had designed a system to help augment the suspension in their airbag system. I had done business with Hendersons previously and was quite satisfied with what they did, and called them and found out that they'd already put 2 of the systems in. So it was a no-brainer for me to come here to have the experts deal with my suspension problems. And we're now going to test drive to see how well it works.
And one of the challenges we face is dealing with motorhomes. They have a high amount of unsprung weight. We're running 22.5-inch wheels, heavy brake drums, heavy suspension components. When that amount of energy hits the pavement, it has to transfer back the other way. And so we're dealing with a lot of ride harshness as it is with this heavy of a suspension.
The diesel motorhomes, this is the first one I've had that I've done any extensive work on to try and improve the suspension and the ride. And so far, everything we've done, it's not splitting hairs. It makes a big quantum difference.
It was a decent driving vehicle, but Mike still wasn't happy with the ride, as I wouldn't be either. And so he had us install the Air Ride kit, which consists of airbags on the individual torsion arms. So it unloads some of that load off of the rubber suspension and transfers it to the airbags, which what that does is it softens the ride up considerably and also improves the lateral side-to-side stability of the vehicle as well. With this kit on there, it's going to get them about as close as you can get to having a full air ride suspension on there as possible. And with today's roads, you really need it. The concrete roads that are broken up in California are really, it's just really brutal on any suspension. We're not really selling parts and labor here, we're selling value. And because Mike was willing to pay for value, did it do what it was supposed to do? And that's always our goal, is giving people value for the money that they invest with us.
You can rest assured that when I travel, I like to talk to people, I like to visit, I like the motorhome and RVing experience, and when you find a good product, you tell everybody you can about it. And that's what I feel about this. That's what I told them about the first job that Hendersons did for me when they put a brake towing system on in the motorhome and on my Jeep that allowed me to have some comfort in knowing that I had auxiliary braking. They did a great job on it. I love the product. Every chance I get, I tell people about it.
Thank you, Mike. It's been a pleasure to serve you.
Thank you.
Best wishes for safer and happier driving out there on the road.